This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're in need of water that is going to be filtered and also super quick and easy, then check this one out by Waterdrop.
This is a reverse osmosis water filter that is installation free, meaning all you have to do is plug it in. So it's perfect for being a renter, perfect for being small spaces. It's really easy to refill the water. It has a storage in the back. It has a handle that's easy to pick up the tank and then refill it. It also inside of the water filtration system has this cylinder which fills up of the pure clean water. So you can take it out and use it to fill a large jug. In addition, it has 5 different water volumes starting from 4 ounces, 8, 16, 20 ounces, and then max. One of the things that's really cool about this system is that it gives off instant hot water. So it has 5 different temperatures. It starts with room temperature, and then it has 4 different temperatures of hot. So you start with the lukewarm, and then it builds all the way up to about over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, it instantly gets hot. You can see within a few seconds, you can see the steam coming out of that.
As you can hear, it does have a subtle white noise sound, but it's only happening when it's filling this compartment up, and then it's ready to go.
The instructions for setup are right inside the lid. That way you never lose the instructions. So make sure you follow them. As soon as you plug it in, you're going to see everything has like a percentage to it. That is because this is part of setup. This is part of getting your filter to work properly. Part of the also recommendation is that you do 2 more tanks. I did a 3rd one, and after that 3rd tank, then the water was tasting really good and it was enjoyable to drink. This reverse osmosis water filter system is very unique. Not only does it have the very sleek design, it's compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in your kitchen, but what makes it really unique is the fact that it has 5 different temperature options.
Instant filtered water at the tip of your finger, but that's just my point of view.